So this diffused guide light, I got it actually from Test Studio. So it can use it has a brake mode and driving mode. So when you hit the brake, more brighter. When you drive also, you will see it. So this is actually for the Juniper model. So I do have the Juniper, so I'll be installing that. So let's see what's in the package. So with the package, it comes with a few items. One is the light, and this is a wire harness. There's a pry bar. There's a tape, some zip ties, and this is just to fish the cable. So these are the item. Apart from that, you could use a flat screwdriver, or you could use this one as a flat screwdriver. But I'm just going to use a regular flat screwdriver. If you have a little thicker one, that would be good. So let's install it. Okay, to install it, you need to open up the trunk. Yeah, so these has to come out, right? This thing has to come out. This is also coming out, and you need to remove this. So fish the cable down through here, and from here you just fish it down. Okay, you use the pry bar, and just this is the first part, this is second part, this is the third part, right? So it's like three different parts. So you put it over here in this gap and trying to, once you get a little leverage, you could move rest of them. All you need access to this side, right? You could fish the cable through there. So you bring it down through here, fish the cable through there. Okay, so that side is done, and I'm gonna take this down also. Okay, you pop this nut out. So in here, you pop this nut out, right? And you could just take this out. So this one is like a push pin kind of stuff. So once you could pop this out, now this comes loose. You could do the same thing on the other side too. I have a different pry bar. I'm going to use this. This is a little bit more stronger, and this one has a little groove in here. So I'm sure this is a lot more easier to take that out. Yeah. Oh, that came out. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so this is out. So this is out. So I remove up to here. I didn't want to take the whole thing because I can't see the cable through here. So what do you want to? The cable you want access to is this cable. So you want to access that cable. So the cable it came with, I have a female cable and a male cable. So I'm going to remove this one and plug the female cable there. So to pull this out, so this is at the bottom. You press this in and you pull it out right there. You press the bottom and you pull it outward. So I'm going to put that in here. Again, actually it goes probably like this. Okay, that one clipped in. So now this one goes to the main one, which is here. Okay, so that clipped in. That's all it required. So I'm going to put a zip tie and tie it over here. Before connecting everything, I'm just going to connect this just to make sure it's working properly. So this is a light, right? So I'm just going to connect the cable before I fish everything. So there are two cables. One is a male and one is a female. Again here. So the male goes to the female, and again same thing over here. So this is a light. So I was going to keep it over here so that way when I turn on the car I can see it. It's gonna hit the brake. There you go. As I hit the brake, as you can see, it lights up. I'm gonna fish the cables. It works. So let me remove this and start fishing it. So I'm gonna put a zip tie here. Right, I got the zip tie. So I didn't have to remove that side. I only had to remove this side. So, but that's okay. Okay. Zip tie is done. So I'm gonna bring it down here. So as I fish it down here, I'm gonna put some tapes. They already provided electrical tape. Okay, that's done. So I need to put it through here and bring it down through here. So before that, let me close this one. So to close this one, just hold it like this, just snap it. Just press it back. So I'm going to put the screw back, make sure this is out. Put the screw back where you took it out from. Some kind of glue here. I'm not sure what kind of glue is that. Let me see if I could remove this. To remove this, make sure you just have to push this in backwards. Pull it out. You could just pull it out like this. There you go. Okay, I got a glove so that way I don't get all of those glue in my hand. So it's a little sticky glue. I got a flashlight. So I want to fish it through here, right? So I just want to make sure that there's a gap there, so that way I know that if I fish it through here, I'll get it. There you go. So getting through there was a challenging. So a DIY person can do it, but it's a little challenging. Next thing, I'm just going to feed it through here to make sure all of these I had to remove up to here, so that way I can feed it through here. Look at the bottom. Once you're here, at the bottom is a flat screwdriver. Let me just show you. So there's two screws here. There's one here and one here. So use this screwdriver. My video could be use the screwdriver and turn it. My video could be upside down, but you got the idea. So let me remove that first. So once you turn it, you could just take it out and it comes out just like this. And you need this, so take this out. So actually, once I'm here, I try over here is very tight. So I'm going to fish it through here. When I fish it through here, I am able to get it down here. There you go. So you need to take these two clips out because this one doesn't come with it. This one doesn't come with it, so you need to take that out. In order to take this out, there's a small clip here. So press this in and push this also in. There you go, it comes out. Same thing for the other side. Okay, once that is out, you could put those back in. Okay, so make sure just align with the group, because once you turn in, then you need to turn it. So now I could remove this. So I do have a little this thing here. Now let's plug this in. So this one goes to the top, this one is the bottom, right? Again, there's only one male and female, so the only one way it goes. This is basically, one is for the brake and one is for the headlight. That's what it is. So next one is the final step for that is putting this back in. So again, I had a flat screwdriver. This one, I push this back in, right? That's fine. I could just tuck it. This one goes on the top, and this one. Okay, these are two clips here. That's fine. That will go over there. There you go. Once you snap in, so light is good. Now we just have to push this in. Okay, that is all set. I'm just gonna go inside and see if it works. Okay, that's a brake light. I can see the brake light is on. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the headlight. Right now it's on auto. So right now headlight is on. When the headlight is on, as you can see, the bottom light is on also. When you hit the brake, as you can see, it's more brighter. Okay, let me turn back on auto. So that is done. Now let's put everything back together. Okay, this one is just a clip-on. These two screws goes over here, these two area, and there's a notch here, and this one that goes over here, a notch. Make sure this one goes in first, because otherwise it's tough to go. There you go. So now that hugs in. Okay, so now this is closer properly. Thank you, Test Studio, for sending me the light.